Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how I created these 6 super cute looks using the Main Choice Heavenly Halo Herbal Hair Tonic and Soy Milk Deep Hydration line. My hair has been so dry and dull lately and definitely in need of some extra hydration. So for my first step, I'm going in with the Heavenly Halo Pre-Poo just to give my hair some moisture before going in with the shampooing process. And the moment I worked this into my hair, it literally melted the knots and tangles away. Once I rinsed that out, I went in to cleanse with the shampoo, the conditioner to thoroughly detangle my hair one more time, and then the hair mask to just deeply penetrate my hair. And my hair never felt this soft, ever. My hair felt like silk. The shampoo did not strip my hair, and the conditioners just really gave me the moisture and shine that my hair was yearning for. I couldn't stop touching my hair. I just couldn't. It was so soft. Next, I'm going in with smaller sections and just re-wetting my hair, then taking the softening milk for extra moisture and to prep my hair for styling. My hair felt like silk. So soft and moisturized. Now I like taking a little gel for whenever I'm doing wash and goes, just for some extra holds. And my method of choice is the Shingling method. It gives me the best results each and every time. So I'll be repeating these steps throughout the entire back section of my hair, re-wetting it, adding the softening milk, and then a little gel to shingle. So once I get to the front of my hair, I split it down the middle, and then on each side, I'll split my hair into 3 smaller sections. Then add some water, some softening milk, and a little gel to smooth down my edges and get them laid. Then I start twisting, and this is super easy. I'm just gonna twist my hair going straight back by rolling and twisting and picking up hair like so. Then taking a small rubber band to secure the twist in place. I'll then repeat these steps throughout the entire front section of my hair, leaving me with 3 twists on one side and 3 on the other. And now it's time to diffuse my hair. So once my hair is about 95% dry, I like to go in with the serum oil mist just to give me some extra shine and then fluff it out. And now taking these cute gold hair accessories to add some detail, and I'm just placing them on top of the rubber bands. This look is so cute and so easy, and now I'm going to show you a few other looks that you can achieve with this same hairstyle. So to create a top knot hairstyle, I'll be gathering up the front pieces of my hair that's left out of the twist and putting it into a high ponytail right at the crown of my head. Then I'll just create a bun and secure it in place with some bobby pins. Top knot hairstyle, super easy. Now, if you're looking for something even more simple, you can just gather your hair back and create a low ponytail. It's easy, but you still have that front detail to give it a little something extra. And that's the third look complete. Now, if you're more of a high puff kind of girl, don't worry, I have you covered right here. You can just gather your hair to the top of your head and secure it with the scrunchie, and there you have your high puff. Now this fifth look is for my girls that love a half up, half down hairstyle. You just split the hair in the back, grab a hair clip or a scrunchie, whatever you have, and secure that top, and then the back will be out. And there you go, half up, half down. And lastly, this has got to be my favorite because I love just a flip over with a deep side part. And here I have these little extra details in the front, adding a little something to the regular wash and go. So these are the looks that I was able to achieve using the Heavenly Halo line. It made my hair so soft and very manageable for me to create all these different styles. And if you haven't tried it yet, I definitely recommend you go out and get you some, girl.